So this morning I woke up and I realized I have uploaded 2 videos and I haven't even bothered to introduce myself. So who is this slow talking bee anyway? Hi, my name is Shawna and I moved to New York in 2014, but before that I lived in Philly, and even before that I lived in the country. We're talking neighbors a half a mile down the road, cows, farmers, Amish people, country. I grew up not wearing shoes, chasing snakes, and climbing trees. And there will always be a big part of me that is still little Shawnee Ferguson from Brogue, Pennsylvania. When I was a teenager in the 90s, I filmed everything with my clunky VHS camera, and it was really cringe, but it brought me a lot of joy. Now, real talk, I'm having a little bit of an existential crisis, and I am seeking out anything that made me happy in the past and could possibly make me happy again. So here we are. I'm trying to film every weekend and let you see what it's like to live in New York. I'm not rich. This might be a glance at what it's like for the rest of us. New York apartments are tiny. There's so many wonderful things in the city. You don't want to spend a lot of time in your apartment, but you do need a respite. And that is what today's video is mainly about. So we're going hiking. I don't know where we're going hiking. My friends invited me and I immediately said yes. One of the most important things about living in the city is getting out of the city as much as you can. Whether you've got a rich friend who's got a place in the Hamptons, or that friend with great credit who bought a house in the pandemic upstate, or clutch, the friend with the car. Everybody in the city needs one friend who has a car that you can go on road trips. And that is what we're doing today. Thank God I have not been out of the city in months. Oh, hi. It's so nice out today.
Yeah, right. Perfect.
I have like the shittiest little drip machine.
This is so easy.
I know, I'm lazy though. I'm so lazy.
It takes like 5 seconds.
Yes. Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance, little girl? You're taxi. I'll dance with you. I'll dance with you.
This is like the height of my sewing skills.
Fixing crotches.
This is like as fancy as my sewing gets. I can sew a button.
I can't sew a button
You
the
can
right
sew a
way.
button? Oh,
I
not
sew
the
it
right
like
way,
the fake way.
As long as you get it on there.
Yeah. What a happy day.
You got it. True. Remade then to buy a new one.
Yeah, Where'd you guys go?
Bean taco.
All right, thank God for that bathroom break. I thought I was gonna pee in the car, and as tightly packed in as we are.
Last time we went hiking, I had to go in the woods.
Oh yeah, no, I was fully prepared to go in the woods. I was like, okay, that's what we're doing. Thanks for driving us, Andres.
It's heavy.
We made it! Yay!
Not for moi.
I mean, it's kind of a
Okay, I'm leaving my jacket here because it's hot. Yeah, I think I should leave my jacket, right? You can't go in.
I'm overheated. I'm doing this move that I haven't done since junior high. Desperate times call for desperate measures. it to the top of the hill. It took me twice as long as everyone else, and Andres had to carry me halfway. He's my hero. The dogs came back to check on me. I was dying. I need to get in better shape. This is incredible. That's insane. 758 feet.